Alright, so yeah, it's me again. I'm building another computer opposed to my Core i7, which I'll hopefully get a new case for so I can fit my water cooling loop in. This is my old motherboard and RAM. It has a Core 2 Duo E6850 at 3.7 GHz, OCZ Reaper DR2, 1066 MHz. I've got the Seagate 500GB hard drive, some neons, CCFLs, red, and a little sound module so they can flash to sound. I've got a fan, a PCI slot. I'm going to have a GTX 260 Plus in here, and I'm going to house it in a Quartermaster CM690 pure black case. I've got some new fans that have no LEDs in them, so it's going to be like a stealthy computer. I'm going to take the the power and hard drive activity lights out, so that there will be no lights in the computer unless I turn the sound reactive cathodes on. Yeah. I'll pause this for a second and go downstairs and show you what I'm getting, what I already bought.